there you go. BATJAC JW here. You're looking at a Lew Horton Model 29-3 round butt end frame revolver. I got it loaded up with specials right now because all we're doing is having some fun with it, plinking at some targets. So I wanted you guys to get a good, nice view look at this baby as we bang some of those steel plates down. Apologize for some of the wind today, but it's kind of a windy way. Let's try a double action here. Throwing them all over the place. They fire 6 shots or only 5? Okay, look at that. Just some 44 special. Nothing crazy. We're not trying to blow down buildings or anything like that. So go ahead and load it back up here. These are just some hand loads, cast lead, 240 grain. Let's move on over to that steel right there. See if we can't bang him over there. Look at that. Yeah, it thumps. 44 special is about on par with a 45 ACP. That's a little flinch action. Even with the specials, you can wind up flinching there. So we'll load it up again here. Nice windy day out here in the middle of the desert somewhere. Let's see, try that big silhouette. If you can't hit that, I guess you should give it up, right? You can empty them really quick. If you want to get to shooting some more, we'll load it up some more here. Oh, drop one in the sand. That's okay. Get him later. All right. Really cool piece right here. Absolutely gorgeous. Figure as I get a look at it out here in the sun. Look at that. All of its beauty and splendor. 44 Magnum snub nose revolver. It's a thing of beauty.